We'll guide you through how to adjust Dropbox settings. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon in the top right corner and click on it. You'll see a drop-down menu, so go ahead and select Settings from there. Now you're in the General Settings tab, and this is where you can make a variety of changes. If you want to adjust your account settings like email or password, just click on Profile. For notifications, navigate to the Notifications tab, and you can customize what alerts you receive via email or on your desktop. If you need to manage your plan or billing information, head over to the Plan tab, where you can see your storage usage and upgrade if needed. In the Connected Apps section, you can manage third-party apps that have access to your Dropbox. It's important to review this occasionally for security reasons. Also, under the Securities tab, you can view all your active sessions and devices connected to your account. You should check this regularly to ensure only your devices are accessing your account. If you want to enable two-step verification for enhanced security, you can do this here as well. Simply click Enable next to two-step verification and follow the prompts. For language preferences and file synchronization settings, go to the General tab. This is where you can change the language Dropbox uses and also adjust how files sync to your computer. Once you've made all the changes, don't forget to click Save to ensure your new settings are applied. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your Dropbox settings. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.